Hi guys, today experiment 2, I'm going to show you how to set up and install Arduino Unos and connected it to the laptop. Woo! Double click the setup file, click on I agree button for the licensing. I leave it as default and click on the next button. I leave the path as default as well and click on install button. Once completed, click on the close. A shortcut Arduino icon is created on the desktop. Double click it and it launches Arduino Sketch. Okay, next is connecting Arduino to laptop. Insert the USB cable as shown here. And the laptop will auto detect the COM port. Back to our laptop, Arduino loaded a program called Blink. The software instruction is to make an LED blink for a second and it runs in a loop. Well, you can get this program from the file menu, select examples, choose basic and click blink. Next is compiling the program to check for an error. Click on the top left icon called verify. The compiler will run and show the status compiling sketch at the bottom left side. Once done compiling, click on the upload icon. You will upload the program to the Arduino board. We move to the Arduino board and it's able to see the LED blink per second. If I were to increase the speed of the LED blink, I'll set the delay to 100. I will click on the upload icon again. And the speed of the LED blinking now is much faster.